Hello viewers, don't miss the important call even if you are in meeting or the mobile is on silent or vibrating mode. So first come and click your call log or phone book, then select or click the contact you would like to keep out of the bound of silent mode or vibration. Now click this I like sign and now it appears, so click three dots more and now change ringtone vibration. Now click ringtone and on this button ring even when set to vibrate or mute. It's on and also assign a ringtone specifically. Now go to main screen. Let me mute my mobile. Now it's mute and let's go to receive a ring. You have heard the ringtone despite the mobile is on mute. So through this way you can avoid missing any call, either that is your boss or a serious patient. Thanks for watching.